Alright, so I have this chair, and a while back the spring popped off. This is made by Southern Motion, and a while back the spring popped off, and ever since then the footrest would not stay in. And so I ordered another spring. I couldn't find any YouTube videos that really showed me how to fix this, but I figured it out. So there's a spring, or there's a notch over here that you can see that one end of a spring will fit in. And there are some holes over here, and I wasn't sure exactly which hole to use. So these first three holes here are all threaded, so I ruled those out. This hole right here was not threaded, and it was worn, which was my clue to that was where the spring went, because it had been used, and the old spring had worn this hole out a little bit. So if you got one of these, you pop the spring off, it broke, you can't figure out what to do. Again, look for this plate on the bottom with the notch for the spring to go through, and then look for a hole over here that is not threaded and is worn out a little bit, and that's probably where your spring goes if it's not exactly like this model here. So I hope that helps you. I'll put the link below to the spring, the right spring to order for this particular model of chair. Otherwise, if you got your old spring around, measure how long it is, and use the link below to get to Amazon, and then find the right spring length that you need.